Hi ladies and gentlemen, welcome to our Shumatt's live channel. I'm Caitlin. Today the product we want to share with you is our hot sealing valve assembly, and now let's see it together. Firstly, I will introduce you the outside packages for you. The blue VCI anti-rust back here, this is the label. And the first line is our Shumatt's brand, the second line is the product code F00VC01001. Actually, logo label packages all the details we support customized service, and inside is the transparent bottles can be better avoid damages during the transmission. Now let's see the product. 1 layer of the oil paper to wrap it up, and each product 6 months warranty time. You got the quality guaranteed. For this one, the applicable inject number is 0445110011. Etc. More information, please check below the videos the information. The applicable for vehicle cars side dispense. This is the valve cap with the coating figures on the groove. The valve rod. Actually, if you want to install the whole valve assembly, it's better to make sure the valve cap in the right position. The valve rod can be moved smoothly up the injector body. That's the tips for you. Okay, so much for today. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next time. I here wish you have a good day. Bye.